If you are looking for the best moist carrot cake recipe in the world, then this is the one. It is healthy, sugar-free, and flourless, yet still tastes amazing. Plus, you will never have to complain about not having enough frosting. To make this carrot cake, start by pouring hot water over about 12 prunes to soften them. If you don't have prunes, you can also use dates or raisins. Next, take 4 peeled carrots and finely grate them, just like I am doing here. This will help them blend smoothly into the batter. Now, take the soaked prunes and chop them into small pieces. If you are using dates or raisins, chop the dates into small pieces just like the prunes, but raisins can be used as they are without soaking or chopping. Then, add the chopped prunes to the grated carrots and set aside for a moment. Next, add 1 cup of oats to the blender. Then, add half a cup of almonds and blend until the mixture is finely ground and has a flour-like texture, as you can see here. Then, add it to the mixing bowl. Next, add 2 eggs to the mixing bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of stevia powder, and a pinch of salt. Then add half a cup or 100 milliliters of milk and mix until everything is well combined and the batter is evenly mixed. Next, grab a flat baking tray and cover it with parchment paper. Give the paper a quick brush with oil, as we really need to make sure that nothing sticks to it later. Next, pour the batter onto the tray. Use a spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it out evenly. Make sure to smooth it into a layer that is about 1/4 inch thick, reaching all the edges of the tray. Next, bake it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Since it's a thin layer, it will bake quickly. Watch for the edges to turn just a little golden brown, but the center to be set but still soft. Avoid over-baking to keep it moist and tender. Then, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely for about 30 minutes. Once it has cooled, cut it into 4 equal-sized squares, as you can see me doing here. Now, place the first square on a serving tray. I like to use a piping bag for this part because it helps get the frosting nice and even. Then, pipe an even layer of frosting over the top of the square. Next, take another layer and place it on top of the frosted square. Add frosting on top of this layer. Then continue stacking and frosting the remaining squares until all 4 layers are stacked. Next, spread the rest of the frosting over the top and sides. Just try to make it as smooth as you can. Don't stress if it's not perfect. It's going to taste great no matter what. And voila! The best moist carrot cake recipe in the world is ready. This carrot cake is perfectly sweet, super moist, soft, light, and scrumptious, but way healthier. I hope that you're going to love how tasty and guilt-free it is. So, is this really the best carrot cake recipe in the world? I believe it's pretty amazing, but I'm always open to tweaking. If you have any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.